Hi, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change the taskbar from center to the left or maybe the right. I'm not sure if they have the right, but usually when you download Windows 11 updates and it comes with the center taskbar, Windows and the buttons are everything in the center. So in this case, I'm going to show you how to put it, how to align it on the left side, so you can have it like normal Windows, like in your previous versions. It's very simple actually. You don't have to do anything too much of work. So I'll show you how to do it right now. All you have to go is go to the empty space right here or right here, and then right click, and then you go to the taskbar settings. You see a small pop-up menu here with two options. Ignore the task manager, you can ignore that, but you can go on taskbar settings right here. So you click on it, and then this will open something for you. So you can customize all your task view, and then widgets if you have, and then the chat option or anything, but I'll keep it off for my convenience. So it's up to however you want it to. You can also hide the search. You can do similar things. So for now, keep it hide, but if you scroll down, ignore all these things. If you scroll down, and then you see that one option in the end called taskbar behaviors. So you open that, you click on the arrow mark, and then it'll open the menu for you. So you see the option here, it's called taskbar alignment, where my mouse is here. So you see the taskbar alignment, and then it says center. So which means the taskbar is in center. It's come by default or anything. So you don't have to work too much on this to change it or anything. But I'll close this, and then I'll put it on the, yeah, you see there is no right option, either center or you can put it on the left. Like click on the left, and as you can see, it moved immediately to the left. So it was in the center before, like I changed it back right here, right? So when I click on left, it jumped back to the left. So you can normally open here, and then see whatever it is you have. Okay, and that's all pretty much you can do with this taskbar. And then now you can access like it's on the left side of this pane, the taskbar. So it's as simple as it is. So you don't have to do too much stress or anything. So it's very simple. Okay, then thank you for watching my video.